Hey, Guru Nation, better late than never on a Friday night. I have a lot of good news to tell you about my site in Yuma. We had our first site selection visit today. It went well, as we expected, as long as we get a few things that we're missing, like an incubator. This study requires an incubator. And what else do we need? We need a crash cart. We have part of the crash cart, but we need like more things in the crash cart. As long as we get those two things, we're good to go with the first study for the Yuma clinical trials. I moved here a month ago. I got a PI like 3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago. Started applying for studies about 3 months ago. So yeah, it's about what I tell clients. It takes about 3 months to get your first site selection visit. A little bit more if you're in a more competitive market. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about jobs, all right? J-O-B, job. So can you guys see on Latinos in clinical research, do you guys not go here? Like, first of all, why? This is open to everybody. It's not just for Latinos. We have every nationality in here, every background you could think of. It's free. Look, we have free webinars with Zoom links. We don't even care if you register. We don't want to collect anything on you. However, if you want to get notified of future events, put name and email, boom, submit. We only email you reminders of like when we have free Zoom meetings or special announcements. So it's not spam. But anyways, we have this thing called networking, very underutilized by both employers and employees. Networking. Click on job postings. We're going to go through some of these. If you're an employer, we're happy to feature your job posting. Please fill out the info below. And if appropriate for our members, aka not spam, we will post the job details. Please use the contact form. So you fill this out, hit send. For now, as of now, it comes to me. Eventually, I'm going to have someone do this. But right now, it comes to me. I manually review it and I post it. So let's go through. We do this every Friday. So last week we left off, I believe, here. So let's start with this. This one is senior clinical scientist. So let's see. Senior clinical scientist. Let's follow the link. The link takes us to this company called CGen. Let's allow cookies from them. Senior clinical scientist. This will be responsible for supporting clinical trials and the development strategy for tucatinib. So it's a new drug. If you're interested in a job, look, it doesn't matter. Here's the thing with these kind of things. If you are not a senior clinical scientist, it doesn't matter. What you just got here for free is information that Segan is developing a new drug, tucatinib. So don't you think they might be hiring for other things also? Like, I don't know, maybe in-house CRAs. I don't know. Just a thought. Maybe it wouldn't hurt to look up this thing and take it to LinkedIn and start networking. Take it to Latinos in clinical research, start networking. So about the clinical scientist, the successful candidate will report to senior medical director, and should have demonstrated proficiency in clinical trials and supporting development program. Participate in the development of clinical protocols and amendments, investigator brochures, and study reports. So this is somebody who needs to be an MD, PhD, biosciences, PharmD, APRN, or PA. Interesting. I know a lot of physician assistants out there that would love to have this role. So this is good for you guys. Look, experience in clinical oncology or industry experience in oncology drug development preferred, not required. They're in the Pacific Northwest. Look, guys, if I were you, even if you're not a senior scientist, all right, I would look into this company. Looks like they're hiring. They're on the move. Looks like they're making moves. All right, next one. Senior CRC with experience or a CRC FMG, which means foreign medical grad. Come on. I make these videos for foreign medical grads. I get all these comments. I know there's a lot of you out there. Where are you guys at right now? Where are you guys at for this? All right, with good depth of knowledge for AE assessments and clinical expertise. This is mssm.edu. This is Mount Sinai. This is Mount Sinai. Look, guys, right there, another opportunity. Don't take it from me what I say. Here's another one, solutions coordinator for Slope.io. They're a logistics company. They're gonna full-time remote 70 grand. The position is for a solutions coordinator and is currently a remote position. In your role, you will have the opportunity to leverage technology that transforms the status quo. So I'm not going to read all that, but you can study this company. If you were going to apply to this company, you need to go on LinkedIn. You need to study this company. You need to network with everyone there. You need to make everyone there know you. Slope is looking for a candidate who is hungry to see change in the clinical trial ecosystem, tired of the way things are being done, and open to building a better way to deliver complex clinical trials in patient-centric manner. So if you're a coordinator and you're tired of being a coordinator and you want a remote job that doesn't involve dealing with patients, a lot of people like that, but some people want change. There's nothing wrong with change, guys. This is perfect, right? Responsibilities: collaborate with clients and stakeholders, maintain oversight of current study budgets, escalate risk. Let's look at the experience and requirements. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, excellent attention to detail, excellent computer proficiency, excellent time management. 2 to 3, here's where it gets important. 2 to 3 years of clinical coordinating experience. What did I just say? If you were a former coordinator, perfect job for you. 4-year degree or equivalent. Who we're looking for experience at solving problems at sites. Look, this looks like a good job for somebody out there. All right, next one, clinical research associate. So this one is by our very own brand ambassador, Christine Naro. You can email her your resume here, inquisitive.christine@gmail.com, and let's find the job information right now. The job info is from Hillrom. So make sure that if you are going to apply to this job, make sure you apply to it through Christine. She told me she's our ambassador, LIC, Latino and Research Ambassador. She's got the inside track on this, okay? So Hillrom offers our employees challenging work experiences. Hillrom, so this is, look at manager, medical affairs, patient monitoring. Okay, I think they changed the title. This is medical, patient monitoring, medical affairs. They're hiring for lots of jobs. So email your CV to Christine here. Next one, manager, trial, recruitment, and study solutions. Here's the email. Manager, trial recruitment. Okay. Patient recruitment. What's the number one problem in clinical research, guys? I'm glad that doing these things every Friday, just by seeing the jobs companies are hiring for, shows you the problems. I'm glad. And then they also show you like, hey, we want foreign medical grad, or we want people who have coordinating experience, we want generalists, we want this and that. Okay, so this is important. All these things I talk about, look, it's showing itself here. Full-time day and occasional evenings and weekends, 30 to 50% travel, domestic. Global Alzheimer's Platform Foundation is seeking dependable and innovative manager of recruitment and clinical trial optimization to lead recruitment and optimization strategies for Alzheimer's disease clinical trial sites in designated geographic regions. This is a patient-centered, not-for-profit organization dedicated to speeding the delivery of innovative medicines to those in need by reducing the time and cost of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease trials. So you can learn about them. The job summary: responsible for collaborating with assigned research sites in the GAP network geographic region on recruitment and process optimization for specific Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease clinical trials. You think patient recruitment, learning that skill, is important? This is what generalist is for. Okay, let's look at preferred education. Minimum 3 years direct Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease clinical trial experience, or a minimum of 5 years in research experience in another therapeutic area. Certified clinical research professional, certified clinical research coordinator, association of clinical research professionals, or willing to work to meet the criteria in order to apply for certification once hired. Right? That's a big or. They know that they can't just put that, they can't be picky in this job environment. All right, we don't need a dictionary right now. You can't be picky. So they say, or willing to work to meet the criteria. A bachelor's degree, but master's is preferred. Proven record of capacity to travel up to 50% time each month. So that's a good one. Here's one: clinical research coordinator in Phoenix. Apply here. Continue. Okay, so I'm not gonna do all this, but there's a clinical trial coordinator in Phoenix. If you want that one, you do it. CRAs, PM, CTAs, and more. Syneos is hiring a bunch. Look, Sonia from LinkedIn, Sonia Ambrose. She put, here at Syneos, we have great opportunities. She even put a nice video with captions. People are saying they're interested. Christine Naro, our LICR ambassador, tagged me. I said I just posted it to our website. Come on, guys, look, nobody is interacting with her. People are liking it. Two people are commenting. And one is me. So these jobs are available. Go contact Sonia Ambrose right now. All right, what next? CTA with experience. This is my buddy Eric Lambert. Clinical trial assistant or associate, I think it's assistant, needed with sponsor and or CRO experience. This would be near full-time hours for at least 6 months, fully remote, pays up to $50 an hour depending on experience, assist with review of study-specific essential regulatory documents, assist with negotiation, review, and approval of contracts. This is generalist. Coordinate and conduct sponsor reviews of ICFs, assist with investigator site feasibility assessment, assist CTM with vendor management activities, perform site management activities, assist and provide input into the preparation of site and study related documents, record meeting minutes, provide support and participate in clinical trial systems, update internal and external systems. So here's another job, remote CRA experienced only for this one. The other one, not so much. Okay, you can still apply. You should have some experience, but I guarantee you, if you're like a good candidate showing a lot of promise, they're going to hire you. Remote, start date October 4th, duration 12 months, clinical research associate, small CRO. Small is the new big, guys. Needs 4 additional CRAs to help with new CNS studies, so central nervous system. The client is looking for a total of 4 CRAs in specific areas: Ohio, North Carolina, South Florida, and Northeast. This consultant must have experience as a CRA and have handled monitoring responsibilities. You're going to have roughly 7 to 10 sites and 2 to 3 protocols at a time. This is going to be busy. You must have 5 years of CRA experience. Any therapeutic area will work, but preferably CNS, good communication, site relation, valid driver's license. This is a good one. And that's it for this week, guys. That's a lot. You can see the flavors of the week. Tune in next Friday for more jobs. Between now and then, if you're looking, apply to some of these. Between now and then, if you're not looking, network with some of these people. And let me know your progress, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.